So a recent installation at Scenic World in the Blue Mountains, they have on the East Skyway site for the Skyway cable car. It's off grid, so they can't get any supply off the grid for that to that site. So they had a very, very small system, only a handful of panels running a little communications device, and they wanted something beefier so they could sell ice creams and actually sell tickets at that end of the Skyway. We created an off-grid system, and they're running just with no additional roof space, no additional infrastructure. They're running all that additional hardware. At the East Skyway end of Scenic World, the energy is running a till so they can sell tickets from there, as well as, a drinks stall, ice cream stand, that sort of thing, which the existing system is just way beyond the realms of. So in regards to our commercial clients, the financial benefit is always in the forefront of people's minds, but more and more we're seeing the environmental benefits of interest as well, particularly with Scenic World. That was one of the core reasons. They could have just stuck a generator on that site and just burnt fuel to do the job, but that's not in line with what they're trying to achieve either. So.